Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Vespa Fix and Funs. Today I'm going to show you about one tip about fixing your clutch on Vespa PX and also a large vintage frame. As you may know, there is one tip that I would like to remind you not to forget. This part is the part that if you want to change a clutch cork plate on the clutch unit, in the kit of the new there will be 3 plates of it, all of them with the cork, and one side of it will be non-cork. This is the cover pass, as you may know from my clutch fixing unit clip. And people may forget about that these 3 plates need to soak in the oil. Minimum is about 3 hours before assembly and put in the clutch unit. And people may ask me why it need to soak with the oil. It's because, as you may know, Vespa has a wet clutch unit system, which is mean that it work in the engine that run in the oil in the same time. It's not a dry clutch like a car. And it is because every time when you grab the clutch cable, the clutch will disengage, which it will be a very small of the distance, and it need to be lubricated every time because the clutch work at the high speed when it's rolling, and it could burn the cork if it not have enough oil, and it will lose the sticky of it, and it will tear off time to time if it not soaked with oil properly. That is why. So I would like to remind you, for a DIYer of the Vespa fix at home, that you must soak the cork plate with oil. And in the same time, you may see in some YouTuber make another clip that they just put the oil cover, no need to soak overnight. That is okay, but it's necessary that you should leave the oil at least about a couple hours before the first use. Then you avoid the cork burnout and the cork burnout problem. So I hope you will not forget this procedure when you fix your clutch unit on your Vespa. And I hope this is useful information. Hope to see you next clip, and today, bye bye.